is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability.
Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, and in my videos, what I'm trying to do is help parents, mothers, and fathers with raising their son into a great man. The videos are all geared towards raising that young man from adolescence all the way to manhood, college, and beyond. So hopefully you'll like the videos, just subscribe to the channel, and help us communicate what is necessary in this world to create a young man into a great man. Looking forward to hearing from you. Looking forward to see you subscribe to my channel. And thank you. 4 books every young man should have. First book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. Second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man. It goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife. Hello everyone, I'm Richard Joseph Bias, the creator of the YouTube channel Molding a Man. Also, I've written 4 books that is designed to help young men become great men. I also have a webpage, moldingaman.com, where I sell my products and also my brand with 3 clothing lines for fathers. But what I'm here for today is to ask the question, why is the earth filled with many ethnicities, many languages, many skin colors, many cultures, and many religions? If you have an answer for that, go ahead and write it down in my YouTube channel. And once you do, you'll be eligible to receive some of the products that I have on my webpage, moldingaman.com. If you feel like you want to answer that question, go ahead. I appreciate it. Thank you. Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one.
Everybody knows what this sound is. Everybody knows what they bout to hear. More than a man is nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family. And his words, his bonds will stand with thee.